Hi, this is Jacob from Loopstack. In this video, I wanted to give you a short update on how you get started with Loopstack. The process is much easier now. So if you look into Loopstack.AI, just go to the website, go to the documentation part, and under Quick Start Guide, you see everything you need to know. But I'm also going to show you now in VS Code how to do it. So here we are now in VS Code. I just created a new project. I'm going to open a new terminal here and type in npx create loopstack app, and I'm going to name this project test. So this is going to download and install all the dependencies, and we just have to wait. All right, perfect. So now it installed everything. We can now see that we have all the files created here in our project. I'm going to cd into the folder and run docker compose up D to run our Docker environment. You need to have a Docker client running. For me, since I'm on Mac, this is Docker Desktop. So let's run this. So this was very quick for me because I already downloaded the images. This might take a little bit more time for you. So now we can run the actual application. So npm run start dev. All right, and now Loopstack is already running on your local machine. We can now head over to the browser again. Now here in the browser, you can access your front end using localhost 3000, and there you have your running instance of Loopstack locally. You can go under My Workspaces here and create the first example workspace, which is already coming with the framework. Just to try it out, go under here and run one of the example workflows that are coming with the application. Now, for being able to run these, you also have to add your OpenAI API key if you want to use LLM features. I'm going to show you very quickly how to do this back in the backend. So back here in VS Code, just open the .env file in your project directory where you can configure environment variables, and I'm going to add the OpenAI API key here, paste the key in here, and then what I need to do is just to restart the service, so Control C to get to stop the current process, and then just run it again. Now that we have added the API keys, we can actually run these examples as well. So we have examples and the tutorial. I'm just going to run this tutorial here, which comes with the framework. And this is basically a very simple workflow for optimizing meeting notes, just to show how it works. All right, I hope you got a good first idea how to get started with Loopstack. Try it yourself and follow us for more videos. We're going to show in detail how to work with Loopstack and develop your own workflows. Thanks so much.